Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Phone. This is where the Show My Caller ID control lives. Turn that toggle on if it's off, and listen. If it's grayed out, make sure your carrier allows per account caller ID. Call them only if necessary. Once done, sign into the same Apple ID across devices so continuity won't hide your number. Also verify your iPhone is on a recent iOS version and has an active cellular plan before moving to the next step. Now you refresh the network. Toggle airplane mode on, wait 5 seconds, then off. This often clears temporary carrier flags that hide caller ID. If settings won't save Show My Caller ID, go to Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. Note this removes Wi-Fi passwords, so have them handy. Make sure call forwarding and do not disturb aren't interfering. If problems persist, call your carrier and ask them to enable outbound caller ID provisioning on your line. Explain that the iPhone toggle is not taking it. Finally, you test. Call someone you trust and confirm your number displays. Ask them to screenshot if needed. If you use Wi-Fi calling or iCloud link features, disable Wi-Fi calling briefly and retest because some providers treat Wi-Fi calls differently. Once tests pass, re-enable conveniences. If the number still hides, restart the iPhone, sign out and back into iCloud, and if nothing works, request a carrier-side reset or escalation. That's the key troubleshooting tip. Carrier provisioning is often the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.